Second point, continuing function. Directing is a continuous process because a manager cannot just rest after the issuing order and instruction. After the issuing order and instruction, manager guide the employee, supervise the employee, motivate the employee. So this process of directing run or operated continuously. So we can say that it is a continuous function. Number third, directing take place at every level. Directing is a pervasive function as it is performed by manager at all level and all location. Every manager has to supervise, guide, motivate and communicate with his subordinates to get things done. However, the time spent in directing is comparatively more at operational level of management, and directing take place wherever superior subordinates relation exist. It is a pervasive function. Requirement of directing each and every level of management and all types of the organization is must. Means where the superior subordinator relation is exit, then directing process required. So we can say that directing take place at every level of management, every level of organization where the superior subordinates relation exist. Fourth point, directing flow from top to bottom. Directing are given by manager to their subordinates. Every manager can direct his immediate subordinates and take direction from immediate boss. Directing started from top level to flow of bottom level or lower level. Fourth characteristics of directing is directing operated from top to bottom. Means instruction provided by top level directors or CEO or general manager to their manager, and manager provide instruction or order to subordinates. So flow of direction from top to bottom, top level to lower level. Number fifth, performance oriented. Directing is a performance oriented function. This main motive of directing is bringing efficiency and performance. Directing convert plans into performance. Performance is the essence of directing. Directing function fulfill for improve the efficiency, improve the performance of the employee. By a directing function, convert plan into performance, and also by directing process we can calculate the efficiency, we can evaluate the efficiency of the subordinates. Human elements. Directing function is study and molding of human behavior. It improves interpersonal and intergroup relationship. It motivates employee to work with their best ability. Directing function related to human behavior. In directing function, molding the human behavior and motivate the employee for their best ability. So we can say that at end it is a human elements. Our next topic is importance of directing function. Importance of directing function to initiate action. Our first point. The employees in the organization start working only when they get instruction and direction from their superior. In the directing function, the superior direct the action of employee towards the predetermined goal of organization. If the directing function is executed successfully, then it results in unity of direction and achievement of organizational goal. First importance of directing is directing function implement the plan properly, and directing function also direct the action of the employee towards the predetermined goal of the organization, and directing function create unity of direction and also create unity of in the work of the employee. So we can say that by a directing process we can achieve the organizational goal properly, easily and efficiently. Number 2, to integrate employees' efforts. In the organization, number of employee work at different level, different position. The employees may differ in their level of authority and type of job assigned, but all the interrelated to each other as they are in part of one organization. When the employees are working at different level, then their efforts are integrated and they are coordinated only with the help of directing function. We know very well in the organization there are different employee in different level, and they work at different type, but for an common organizational goal their effort is integrated by the directing process. Their work efforts integrated by directing process means all the function of the organization, all the function of the enterprises interrelated, but worker or subordinate work at different level, different department. But for the organizational goal, for the achievement of organization goal, it is compulsory that their work are interrelated, their work are integrated. When their work is integrated, the organizational goal achieved properly. So integration of the work of different level employee possible by the directing process. Means of motivation. Directing function does not mean give order, but only through direction and instruction the superior try to motivate the employee to perform their best ability. Motivation is very important elements of directing. Directing function develop the feeling of belongingness and encourages employee to perform their best ability. Third importance of directing is in directing process not only order and instruction provided by manager, but also manager motivate the employee for best ability, for their best ability for performing the work. So a directing process encourage the employee, motivate the employee for their best performance, for their best ability performance. Fourth point, bring stability and balance in organization. The directing function tries to create balance in organization. Generally, when employees are working at different level, they develop different attitude, and the balance between their attitude is made by directing function. We know very well directing function create balance in the organization, because in an organization on different level many employees, many superior, many subordinates work. but a directing process we can develop a balance between the different attitude of the employee. A directing process helpful in balance between different attitudes of worker for the organization. Number fifth, to facilitate change. Generally, the employees hesitate in accepting the changes, but through directing function, the changes can be implemented more easily as while giving direction, the superior guide the subordinate that the change is better for them also. We know very well if any change is arises, then the employee cannot easily accepted changes. But a directing process helpful to mold the employee according to changes. By a directing process, superior guide the employee for change and convince them that change is better for the employee, better for subordinates, so the employee can easily accept the changes. So directing process, converted employee, adjust the employee, or mold the employee according to business environment change. So here the importance of directing. Our next topic, elements of directing. Elements of directing, there are four main elements of directing. First, supervision. Second, motivation. Third, communication. And fourth, leadership. So, supervision. Supervision means instructing, guiding, monitoring, and observing the employees while they are performing the job in the organization. The word supervision is the combination of two words, supervision, where super means over and above and vision means seeing. So supervision means seeing the activities of the employee from over and above. When a manager watch, observe, and monitoring the activities of the employee and also provide instruction and guiding is called supervision. When a manager seeing the activity of the employee over and above is called supervision. Instruct the employee, guide the employee, monitoring the employee, observing the employee, or watch on the performance of the job of the employee is called supervision. Our next topic is motivation. Motivation can be defined as stimulating, inspiring, and inducing the employee to perform their best ability. Motivation is the psychological term, which means it cannot be forced on employee. It comes automatically from inside the employee, as it is the willingness to do the work. Motivation is a process of making subordinates to act in desired manner to achieve organizational goal. Motivation. When we inspiring the employee for their best performance is called motivation. Motivation is a psychological terms because we cannot motivate to employee by force. Motivation is an internal inspiration. Motivation automatically from inside the employee means a employee willingness to do work properly. So we can say that at the end, motivation is the process of making subordinate to act a desired manner to achieve the organizational goal. So when we inspiring the employee, stimulating the employee to perform their best ability, so it's called motivation. Features or characteristics are nature of motivation. First, characteristics of motivation. Motivation is a psychological phenomenon. Motivation is an internal feeling, which means it cannot be forced on employees. The internal feelings such as need, desire, aspiration, etc. influence human behavior to behave a particular manner. Motivation is a psychological phenomenon. Means motivation is an internal feeling. We cannot the employee motivated by force, motivated by a negative manner. Employee automatically internally motivate for the work, for the job, and some psychological need motivate to employee. When any need for life, any desire for life, then employee automatically motivate internally and perform their best. So it is psychological phenomenon. We cannot force employee for the work for motivation. Motivation is an internal feeling and it is created automatically in the heart of the employee, in the mind of the employee. Motivation, second point, motivation produces goal directed behavior. Motivation induces people to behave in such a manner so that they can achieve their goal. Motivated person need no supervision or direction. He will always work in desired manner. Motivation. When a person become motivated, then no requirement of supervision of the work of the employee, no requirement of direction for the employee. They automatically work for the organizational goal and personal goal also. So motivated person not required directing function, not required supervision also.